Hey y'all, it's your girl Nelly Nell of Nelly's Wig Boutique. In this video, I'm showing you guys how I make a pixie cut wig. So to make this pixie cut wig, I'm using 27 piece hair as you see on the table and a 4x4 closure. Here I am sewing the closure down in place. The colors for the 27 piece hair are colors 1B and 30, and here I am double wefting those two wefts together so that they blend nicely when I sew it onto the wig cap. And as you can see here, I am sewing onto the wig cap and sealing those ends. Here I'm just checking my status to make sure that the hair is flowing well and the colors are blending nicely. Then I continue to sew on the wefts, following along on my diagram and along with the length of the 27 piece hair. Now I'm checking the progress of my work and everything is blending nicely as you can see, and voila! This is the finished product, and I wish I had recorded myself coloring this closure because your girl did her thing. Look at this, how it flows. The colors just match that 27 piece so perfectly. I love working with 27 piece hair because it comes pre-cut. It's easy to manage, doesn't require a lot of manipulation, and perfect for a cute pixie cut style. Ladies, if you're a pixie cut chick, book a consultation with me and let's redefine your beautiful at Nelly's Wig Boutique.